Hey guys, Russo, how are you today? It's freaking snowing. It's Saturday. It's March 28th. It's springtime. It's freaking snowing out my window here in New York. What the hell is going on? And they talk about global warming, right? Alright guys, it's time to end the only contest that Ricky has currently running. To pick a number from 0 to 10. I hope you all participated. Remember, it's a freebie. It's on Ricky. You haven't seen this in a while. It's the Yankee hat. Yeah, usually I've been having Mrs. Russo pick the winners out of the spaghetti bowl, but not this time. This time it's a different scenario. Alright, now, you remember last week, I had an envelope. It's sealed, and in the envelope I have a card that has a number between 0 and 10. So, you all put down your choices below in the contest video, and let's see who's going to be in the hat, because let's see what the number is first, then we'll give you the whole story. So I'm opening it right before your eyes, guys. Right before your eyes, alright? Here's the card. The winning number is 1. So all of you guys that picked the number 1 in the video, I'm going to have to look, because there's going to be another video later. It's going to go in the Yankee hat. And I'm going to shake it up, and I'm going to pick out whoever picked number 1, and there's the winner. Now, I don't know, maybe nobody picked number 1. I'm just assuming. I'm going to have to look in a little while. But I'm seeing the number that I wrote down and sealed in that envelope because I was the only one who knew it. And that's it. Wait, do I hear a little rumbling out there, guys? Do I hear a little, hey, Ricky, what are you trying to screw me kind of deal? Hey, look. Oh, wait. Oh, excuse me. Wait. Where did this frickin' thing come from, huh? Where did this thing come from? Alright, well, let me open up this thing here, alright? And I'll tell you what this one is. There's another freaking envelope of Ricky's sleeve. What's up, Ricky's sleeve? I'm opening this up. Alright. The winning number was 3. 3, guys, I don't know. Look, I got another envelope there. You want to know where another envelope might be on Ricky? Well, this one's number 3. So I guess I'm going to have to look and see who picked number 3 and put them in the hat with number 1s, no? Wait. Do I hear a little rumbling from the mountain on top? There's another freaking envelope. Sealed, guys, sealed. What the hell is going on here? I don't understand. I'm opening it up fresh. And number 10, what's going on? Can you mean that everybody who picked number 10 could be in the hat with number 1 and 3? I guess so. So we got 3 here. Wait, there's one more here. One more coming out from under the computer. One more freaking envelope. I'm opening it up on screen, guys. Open it up. Number 6. What could be number 9 with a halo, no? Anyway, guys, you know, I just like to stir the pot. So you know what? Everybody who played in this video game is going to go in the Yankee hat. 0 to 10. Anybody that played is a winner. But now for a further twist, I was just playing with you all along. Mrs. Russo already picked the names out of the spaghetti bowl, so the hat, short appearance. Get the fuck out of here. So these are the winners, guys. I've got a bunch of them. There's always a bunch at Ricky's house. Remember, if you hear your name called, you have to PM me your full mailing information. I will send you out something pronto. And remember, don't expect the Mona Lisa, a little something on Ricky. Alright, Joe Henderson, Sports Freaks 4 Life 42, Cardman 64, Cincinnati Reds Collector, Matt's B-Ball Cards, Thundering 24, Aaron's Cards, Yankees 213. So that's enough winners, guys, between what I had the other day and this time, man. I mean, Ricky's going freaking broke and he's supporting the freaking Postal Service. But look, guys, it's always my pleasure. I got too many cards, guys. I like to share the wealth. All right, take care. Ciao.